Now, of course, when we see that, we come back here to the North Texas region and we wonder, okay, volatility in the weather this time of the year, what are we going to see here for this weekend?
Well, we are looking at quiet conditions through the evening hours, but heading into late tomorrow and early Monday morning, we are tracking the potential for some strong to severe storms to move through North Texas. So this is a system that brought that tornado to Kansas. You can see we still have a line right along that cold front, even a tornado watch into Illinois. They've had tornado warnings throughout the afternoon, and then a severe thunderstorm watch extending back into parts of East Texas. We even have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for southeastern Anderson County. We are getting a lot of lightning, could even be getting some quarter-size hail and wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour with this strong cell. It's moving right over to the Elkhart area, only heading down to the southeast at about 10 miles an hour. So that severe thunderstorm warning runs until about 6:45 this evening. Luckily, off to the west of that line, we have quiet conditions, but we are going to see this front kind of stalling out pretty much right where it is. And as we head towards a Sunday morning, that front is going to lift back off to the north. So we'll see clouds increasing throughout the day tomorrow. Could even get a couple of isolated showers or thunderstorms popping up south of that front. We could get an isolated strong to severe storm with large hail and damaging winds in the afternoon, but notice the coverage of that rain, very minimal, about 20 to 30%. It's mainly late tomorrow that we're really keeping an eye on storms that are going to develop in West Texas and then work their way eastward. And with the latest run of this model, it's keeping those stronger storms up along the Red River just north of the Metroplex. The run earlier today continued that squall line right through the Metroplex. So this is something that we're going to keep a close eye on because we have one model that is going with also keeping it right along the Red River, just like we're seeing here, and then another model that is bringing that squall line right through the Metroplex. So we'll keep a close eye on that development of the storms out to the west tomorrow afternoon and get a better idea of what we're looking at for overnight tomorrow. As we head into Monday, we're also going to be tracking that potential for more showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon hours. But the enhanced risk of severe storms, that's in West Texas tomorrow. Notice that marginal risk does include parts of North Texas. And then once again, heading into Monday, we have a slight risk for our northwest counties, and we continue that marginal risk mainly west of 35. So over the upcoming week, we are looking at about 2 to 4 inches of rain in parts of North Texas around the Metroplex. Lesser amounts the further south you go, but we will continue to see disturbances moving in. So precipitation chances continuing into Wednesday and Thursday. We even have that slight risk continued Wednesday and Thursday. So this is going to be a very active week, one that you really want to stay weather aware, keep up with the weather forecast, and we'll continue to keep you updated on it as well. But temperatures right now are sitting in the lower 80s. We have a gorgeous evening on the way, and tomorrow morning, thanks to that cold front that moved through earlier today, we're going to be starting off a bit cooler, around 60 degrees, but we will see highs in the upper 80s, and then we'll continue to track those showers and thunderstorm chances through the week.